Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about how to do the big three in the shortest amount of time possible. Now remember, this also relies heavily on what day of the week you go to the park and what time you arrive at the park. And the best times to go would be as early as possible on a Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Now when you get to the park and you get through the front entrance, you're going to want to take an immediate right and head straight towards Medieval Fair. This is the most popular area of the park as it stands, so you definitely want to hit up this area first before it gets too busy. And no matter how early you go, there's always going to be some people already waiting for Leviathan, but the earlier you go, the shorter the wait time. Simple as that. Here I am entering the line at 10:08 a.m. And as you can see, it's not too bad. Later in the day, all of these rows back here do fill up entirely. Once you hit the stairs, you know success is near, the load-in area being at the top landing, and here I am, ready to be loaded into the ride vehicle, and the time is 10:18.
Alright, so just came off of the Leviathan, and it took about 10 minutes in the line, which is pretty good, and now we're heading over to the Yukon Striker and the Behemoth.
And the speediest way to get to the Yukon Striker is going to be going around Wonder Mountain and heading to the right into the Frontier Canada section. This way you'll kind of end up going around the back end, which tends to have a lot less crowds.
If you can smell the chlorine from Splashworks, you know you're going in the right direction.
And once you pass Splashworks, it's just a short little walk right over to the ride entrance. And as you can see, it is a straight up walk on at this time of the day. From the entrance of the ride to the load-in zone, it took me a full-on minute.
Alright, just got off the Yukon Striker. There was an absolute walk-on. Didn't have to wait at all. Got front row. This day is going really well so far. Alright, now I'm heading over to Behemoth to complete the big three.
And it is a super short journey from here to Behemoth. And I'll hit you with a little time lapse right here. And as you can see, there is nobody in the line. 10:41 a.m. I am in the load-in zone, ready to board the ride car.
Okay, just got off Behemoth, and that was a walk-on as well. So I have successfully completed the big three in less than 1 hour. In fact, altogether, it took me about 40 minutes from the start of me coming through the entrance to me walking away from the Behemoth.
Now remember, if you do want to get the big three done in 40 minutes, you got to show up early. Even 2 hours later is going to make a huge amount of difference. These were the wait times at 12 p.m. noon, and you can expect these times to get even longer as the day goes on, and especially on the weekends. And there you have it. That's how to ride the big three in the shortest amount of time possible. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.